What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I have my lucky bag for the year. I am so excited because literally one time a year you can get your hands on these. If you're not familiar, every year Beautylish sells lucky bags once a year on the day after Christmas, December 26th. And this year I totally forgot about it. So I saw on Instagram that they posted that they were available. I was 30 minutes late, so I couldn't get the XL bag, but I did get the regular bag. Here is the paper for the year. It is super cute, but it's basically a lucky mystery bag. It can be even luckier, but it's based off of a Japanese tradition called Fukubakuro, where you give these lucky bags of things. So this is a typical mystery box. Some people are gonna love it, some people are gonna hate it, and then usually I'm pretty satisfied. I feel like the last year was like, it wasn't as exciting as the rest, but every year, I mean, it's once a year, so I always feel like it's really, really worth it. The regular bag is $75. Between tax and shipping, it was $91. So again, I ordered this the day after Christmas. So with the regular bag, you spend $75, you're guaranteed $150 or more, and then the XL is $150, like I said, but you're guaranteed at least a $300 value. So basically, you double your money. I have in the past gotten a lot from, I've gotten Charlotte Tilbury, I've gotten Sonia G, Kevin Aquan, unit brushes I got last year. I got a lot of unit brushes, Natasha Denona. I can't remember everything that I've gotten, but I've gotten some really nice brands. They also mix in some more affordable options like Ardell, Good Molecules. I've gotten a lot from them, which I love Good Molecules, but they are really affordable. Occasionally people will get extra lucky bags, and that can be like really impressive palettes. Like I've seen people get the really large Natasha Denona palettes. I've seen people get like gift cards to Beautylish, and sometimes just like more product than what you would expect. So I'm really excited to dive in and see everything that I got. Okay, kind of what I expected. Everything is in like a bubble wrap bundle. I'm trying not to look at everything all at once and just kind of enjoy opening with you. Okay, I see something orange. These are brushes. It looks like these are also from the unit line. I will say I like the brushes, but I know last time when I got them, people were saying that like those are kind of like cheap. They're not very expensive. They are good brushes though. Like I've used them for an entire year. I think they're pretty nice. So it's unit 307 through 310. And these look like some really good eye brushes. I will definitely be able to use these. I like how they have a flat bottom on the handle. I don't know why, I just like it. And it's a pretty orange. They remind me of, I think maybe it was some Luxie brushes I got recently that had orange on the handle, but they are good. I'm not sure about the value of these. I will put it on the screen. So yeah, that's my first item. I'm pretty happy about that. It's not by any means like super luxury, but like I said, good brushes. What is next? We got, ooh, a Danessa Myricks. This is the Infinite Chrome Flakes, and this is the shade Superstar. So I think that this one is purple based off of the box. I have one or two of these, and I have a couple of other products from Danessa Myricks, and I really love them. I would love to get more of these Chrome Flakes. Oh, wow. Just looking at these, like, oh, these are always beautiful, no matter what color combination you get, but I'm seeing already orange, pink, yellow, and then of course purple, which looks to be more so the base of the color. So let's see. I have to swatch these. Oh, it is so beautiful. And you can make them like more dispersed, but the like flash of them is just so insane. I think these are around like $30, something like that, but I do love this brand. I love her products, so really happy with that. Let's see what's next. We got Twist On Lip. This is by Terry. It says it's a jewel lipstick, plump and contour. Okay, I've gotten a couple by Terry products, maybe more, because I think this is again the 5th or 6th year that I've gotten this, and I've liked some, but I've had a couple things that I really wasn't crazy about. But yeah, gonna have a really high price tag, I'm assuming. So, oh, okay. It has 2 colors on it. Has kind of very over the top scent. That's one thing I don't like about some of the really high-end brands that I've gotten in these boxes, is they all really over perfume their products, which is something about high-end brands that do that, and they use the nastiest scents. But that's the swatch. I actually think the swatch is really pretty. You could do like a bit of an ombre with this, or you could certainly kind of like mix the 2 shades together. Mixed up, it's just more pink. You have like a peachy pink and a purpley pink, and yeah, it's pink. So what shade is this? It says number 2, rose and fuchsia, contour and volume. So yeah, I'm assuming you just kind of do like a bit of an ombre to give a fuller lip. I'll definitely try this on. Twist on lip. Next we got Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream. I don't have this actually, and I have a lot of Good Molecules. I was just talking about them on my TikTok as a really good affordable skincare option. I also have a link for them down below, but I really like their products. They are super affordable, like anywhere between $5–15. Like they're really affordable. So this is to soften the appearance of fine lines, help skin look firmer, and it's in like a little medicinal type tube. So that's what she looks like. I know a lot of us are looking for like the really crazy brands in here. Every time my dream is to get Natasha Denona. I have a couple of times, but not every time. All right, we got a Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic Swish and Glow blusher, and the shade is Pillow Talk Intense. Okay, I'm so glad. I have one shade of this and I was like, oh, I hope it's not the same shade. So of course a Charlotte Tilbury product. It's hard to see. I'm definitely happy to get Charlotte Tilbury too. So this is the packaging of those. This is the color. It's going to be definitely like a little bit more neutral. So this is kind of like a mixture of both shades, and then these are the 2 shades if you try to do separately in the center versus on the outer edge. But I'll definitely use this. I do love Charlotte Tilbury products, so never going to complain about that. Next one is... Okay, I'm sorry. These are the ugliest lashes. Somebody's gonna love these lashes and think that I'm being hateful. I think these are hideous, but these are Ardell Glamour lashes. Absolutely horrendous. Like, these are the lashes that like I would have put on before I actually wore makeup for Halloween. Really just awful. Awful. I really don't understand. But they sell a variety of things, so you're liable to get anything that they sell. But yeah, I think these are hideous. And this is the last product. I think we have maybe a palette. So this is the Wayne Goss Luxury Eye Palette. Okay. I also love Wayne Goss stuff. I have mostly brushes is all I have. And I think I have a lipstick. And I love the brushes. I adore the brushes. And here you have just plain black packaging. It does feel and look prettier than some other glossy black packaging that I've seen that's really cheap. This has some weight to it and it feels, you know, nicer for sure. Definitely for the neutral lover. This is the Luxury Eye Palette in Imperial Topaz. I love that it has a black. I'm a big believer in a little bit of black eyeshadow. I love it. It also gives the opportunity for depth no matter whose skin tone this is going on. So yeah, I love that because some palettes only have like this is like their deeper shades and that's just not acceptable. So I love that it has a nice black. This one looks like maybe a satin or like a light soft metallic shimmer. You got a couple of mattes. I guess I'll swatch it. I mean, it's kind of so beautiful and simplistic that I don't want to swatch it, but I guess we'll swatch it. Let's do 1, 2, 3. That's a good black. That is a good black. Those are beautiful. Now the bottom row, 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I was excited to see that. It's kind of like a soft glitter. But here are the other shades. They feel very smooth. The mattes feel just like incredibly smooth, almost satiny. And then this one, which is like a very soft, I would say it's more of a satin than a shimmer or metallic because it's kind of soft, but it looks like it would be very blendable. So I'm excited to use this. I certainly didn't think that Wayne Goss would do anything that I wouldn't like, but you know, there's always the dream of a giant Natasha Denona palette, but let me calm down. So all in all, I got $198.20 value. That is well over the $150. I did pay, like, it was $75 for the box, but between the shipping, which was kind of high, and the tax, it was actually $91. But what I paid for overall, I still feel like I got my money's worth. I can't say that I'm like blown away by the selection that I got, but I am very happy with the Wayne Goss palette, the Charlotte Tilbury blush, the Danessa Myricks Chrome Flakes. Like, these three alone make me very happy with my selection, even though I didn't get anything super extraordinary. On the next level, if you will, I love Good Molecules. Yes, it's very, very affordable, but it's still a nice product, and I will definitely get a lot of use out of these brushes, so not complaining about these two. I do feel like this lip is just kind of really overpriced. It is by Terry, but you're really paying, in my opinion, for the name a lot, and the smell is just, ugh. I don't really want this smell right under my nose, and then I don't really even have to go back into this, but these are just incredibly ugly lashes. And no hate to Ardell, they have some beautiful lashes. They have some of the best like drugstore lashes you can get. I like them, but this pair can go straight in the trash. I'm kidding. I'll give them to somebody or save them for Halloween or something. So all in all, I think I got a pretty good box. Let me know what you think. I haven't watched any other unboxings yet. I'm excited to, but I'm also like, I bet some people got some really good Natasha Denona palettes. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing, and I will see you really soon in my next video. I think the next video I'm going to do is going to be a declutter. I'm not sure what category yet, because I'm going to look through your guys' comments and see what people said the most and what they wanted to see next. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Leave me a thumbs up. I could really use a little bit of support here on my channel, because YouTube is like, it really just does not want to show my videos to people. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.